how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Skibidi Toilet versus Grimace. All right, let's do this. So we're gonna be fighting. So we're gonna draw Skibidi Toilet first in this area, right? So follow along with me. Gonna go right here now, and I'm gonna curve right here for the top of Skibidi Toilet's head. I'm kind of drawing in the middle lower part of the paper because I have Grimace looming in the back. All right, down over here, pull in, downward. Lower the jaw, rolling back of the jaw there. Gonna go over here and find a C shape for the ear. And I'm gonna pull a line downward for the side of the hair. Pull up and curve right there for the top of that hairline. Line over here back for the nose. Line over here for the nostril. Curve, and I'm going to draw kind of a line right here for the eye. Curve line down, backward down here, line, kind of like a gravestone shape for the eye. Line over here, curve up, curve up. He's going to be looking up at Grimace back there. He's going to be looming, but right now we're going to fill this in dark except for the highlight. And then line right here, line right here. Line up for the side of the mouth. Curve down. Line underneath here. And we're gonna draw a line across like he's gritting his teeth, like, uh-oh. Whoa. Line underneath here. Down right there for the lower neck. Curve right there for the inner ear. Line over here in and down. Line right here. Line over here underneath right here for the open toilet, you know, which is a part of it, I guess. Line over here for the other back part of the toilet. Line up. And we're going to fill this place right here. We're going to fill it in dark where he's coming in and out of the toilet. Hit the like button if you like this, and don't forget to share the video. Sharing the video is a big help, and it really is amazing. But yeah, definitely share the video. Back over here, down. Curve around over here, back right there for the curved part of the toilet seat. Down right here for the bowl. Down right here. Curve underneath for the way at the bottom over here. Line back here for the rest of the back of the bowl and down. This is all right. You just, again, you want to have the impression of it. You don't want to have to, it doesn't have to be dead on. Just as long as it's close, you'll be fine. You want the impression of it. Back of the toilet seat that's up, curve down. Line over here. Back of the toilet seat here, up. Back, down. Curve around here, down, line here, and back right here as well. So there you go. We got the Skibidi Toilet right there so far. It's good enough. You got the tank, you have the back seat, you have everything. Maybe a curve right here for the bottom of the bowl, but that right there will work. You can always throw extra details like a line for the neck, but let's go over here and get to the actual, like, you know, Grimace part right over here. So let's go down. Grimace is shaped like a giant, what do you call it? Like a triangle, like a Christmas tree. Curve in. Line down over here. Curve for Grimace's foot. Line down over here on this side. Curve over here on this side. And up over there. Kind of whatever's going to be hidden behind that area. Behind the bowl. Go over here now. Circle. Circle for Grimace's eyes. Line over here for his lazy eye look. And then Right there, he's gonna be beating him up. Line right here for his brows, his eyebrows. Curve up, and then curve up over here. Smile, smile. Line underneath up. With the smile right there, he's got that cleft on the top lip. So always remember that. That's a very big thing with this character. Curve right here. Curve for his hand, thumb, and then around the corner here for his mitts there. And he's gonna have the shake in his hand. Out, down, over here. Curve over here for the other hand, kind of back there. Top of the lid of the shake, and then maybe the straw angled out over here. Wiggle, wiggle for the design on the cup. And I'm gonna go here, curve for the tongue of Grimace, and we're gonna fill in this area. We're gonna fill all this in. Right on. Draw a couple little lines around the corner here, just to kind of give it a little bit more of a feel to it. Curve underneath, curve over here, line right there, line right there, line right here, line, line, and there we go. Curve on this area, curve on this area, curve over here. And again, I'm just gonna, fixing a couple of the lines. But like I said, if you like this, think of some other verses. Say hi to me in the comments section. I will reply back every single time. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's gonna be within the same theme, and you wanna keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.